Hello there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create any website using Bolt AI. This is really simple. Let me show you step by step. At first you have to go to the browser. Now search here Bolt AI, hit enter, and here you will find bolt.new. So go to this site, pin it in a new tab, go there. Here you can see we are in the https://bolt.new. In the right side, here you can see right top corner, you will find get started. So click here, get started. Now you have to actually log in through, let's say, GitHub or Google or just random sign up, okay, with email and password. So I'll go with the GitHub. So I'll click here GitHub. I already logged into my GitHub account. Here you can see. Now what I have to do, we have to actually click here authorize. Here you go, authenticating. Now we can actually go for it. So I'm going to say here that create a portfolio site for me. Now I click here build now. In the right side you'll see the preview. So guys, here you can see we got here portfolio site, and here you go, we have all the sections. Here you can see contact, skills, about, all the sections working perfectly. Now we can actually click here send message. Here you can see form validation is also there. So now if you want to publish it, you can actually click here publish, and app is not published here, so we can actually click here publish. So guys, you can see your site has been successfully published. You can view it at, so we can actually go there, and here we go, our website is now published. So guys, I have shown you how you can actually create your project website using Bolt AI, and you can host your website also. Here you can see, and this is also mobile friendly, responsive. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching.